So this is the breaking news coming in from the violence hit state of Manipur, when all Congress MLAs have offered to resign as the violence is at peak yet again in Manipur. MPCC President Kesham Meghachandra has now confirmed it to CNN News 18 about agreeing to resign if the people of Manipur wants to bring a new mandate which they believe can bring in peace to the state. And another update that we want to give you is the Conrad Sangma-led NPP has also withdrawn its support from the Manipur coalition government on Sunday amidst continued violence in the state, which is another big development. Intercommunal clashes between the Meitei and the Kuki communities have now resulted in the deaths of over 250 people, and it has led to displacement of over 60,000 people, after which we have seen that in the recent days also a lot of violent incidents have happened, after which this kind of withdrawals from NPP and even the Congress have decided to get back from their positions. In a massive address to BJP chief JP Nadda, it conveyed a deep concern over the law and order situation in Manipur and completely lambasted Biren Singh government for failing to resolve the crisis. And we want to tell you what was written in the missive which has been written to JP Nadda by Conrad Sangma. He has written, "We strongly feel that Manipur state government under the leadership of Sri Biren Singh has completely failed to resolve the crisis and restore normalcy. And keeping the current situation in mind, the National People's Party has decided to withdraw its support from Biren Singh-led government in the state of Manipur with immediate effect." This was written by Conrad Sangma to JP Nadda already before taking back their support from the government. And let me tell you, Manipur has now become divided into two ethnic enclaves. The Meitei controlled Imphal Valley and the Kuki dominated hills, separated by a stretch of no man's land, which is monitored by federal forces. And the Meiteis account for about 53% of the state population, while the tribals, including the Nagas and the Kukis, constitute a little over 40% of the population. And an indefinite curfew, which we have already stated, has been imposed on Saturday, and internet and mobile services were suspended after the protesters tried to storm the residences of several lawmakers, including the state chief minister and Biren Singh. Police have already arrested 23 people in this connection with the incident on Sunday, while hundreds defied the curfew to hold demonstrations against this recent spurt of violence. So that is what is coming in lately from the violence hit state of Manipur. Now, after all these recent incidents where 10 militants were killed by CRPF, and then later 6 Meitei people were abducted and their bodies were found later on, for which people took it to the streets, they protested, they demolished even the houses of the public representatives. After all these reports, we have seen that even Congress and NPP wants to withdraw. NPP has already withdrawn their support. Even Congress wants to do that. It seems that it is an alarming situation, not just for Conrad Sangma, not just for the and Manipur chief minister, but also the BJP government in Manipur. And along with that, we have seen that in the recent developments, Home Minister Amit Shah has also called for an important meeting to discuss about what is happening in Manipur and what can be done. So recently, all these incidents have taken a turn, and the violence, the state of Manipur went on boil again, and after which now we can say two parties, the NPP and the Congress, also wants to withdraw their support from BJP.